All right, here we go. It's nothing.
Ready?
Yeah. Okay. Yep. Okay. It's on fire.
What happened? Whoa.
Lots of smoke.
I'm Walter Day, the father of esports, and you're watching Matty Mo's Arcade.
Man, you know how long it's been since I played Whac-A-Mole?
I'm getting ready to attack. Fanny pack attached. Tokens are all stacked. Got the mallet in my grasp. Waiting for the moles, hiding in their holes. Score, we're keeping tally. I'll be playing till they close now. Can't nobody beat my high score. You can't beat my high score. Can't nobody beat my high score. You can't beat my high score. I'm a mallet master, a single-fisted blaster. You can ask my baby, it starts slow then gets faster. I'm a record setter.
Man, this is hairy. I definitely wouldn't want to be sticking a metal screwdriver in here. This little TV tool I got isn't. Ow! Nowhere near far enough. That hurt. Don't touch the color drive transistors. They're hot. That's why they call me Sparky. I'm shaking. I can't even get close to the damn thing. Ah, God damn. Alright, I can't do that. Now we're getting no voltage, huh? What did I pull that thing off of here? Yeah, that juiced me pretty good the second time. Alright, that should get it. Oh, that one went all the way. And here's our voltage. Let's see what kind of angle we got to look at. Might as well just get right on the meter. That's the important part. See if we can see that. Alright, that's a little better. Okay, hold your ears. Oh. What happened there? Damn it. Well, son of a bitch. Alright, I gotta take a break and see what's wrong with that. Jesus Christ, this game. Oh, it wasn't on camera. Oh, damn. So, right here, started sparking and smoking. One of these damn transistors. Shit. Yeah, that wasn't good. So let me check and see what I ruined there. No, it wasn't me. It was the damn game, but I'll be back.
This is pretty heavy. The last tube was pretty heavy.
It's kind of awkward.
Right. Alright.
Ready to attack. Fanny pack attached. Tokens are all stacked. Got the mallet my grasp, waiting for the moles, hiding in their holes. Score, we're keeping tally, I'll be playing till they close now. Can't nobody beat my high score. You can't beat my high score.
New tube, new fuse.
My high score. You can't beat my high score. I'm a ballad master, a single-fisted blaster. You can ask my baby.
I'm not sure if I'm plugging these in the right way or not.
Awesome. YOLO.
It'll just be different funky colors.
That's okay. So we just want to like see like glow or something, right?
Yeah, we wanted to have some action. Where's the on-off buttons?
On top. Yeah, it's not plugged in though. The power's there. There's an out over there. It might already be switched on.
Oh, yeah, that's dangerous.
All right, I'm watching it. All right, I'll watch it. I don't know what I'm looking for though.
Basically, we'll just hear a pop, or the flyback will start arcing.
Oh. God. Okay. All right, here we go. It's nothing.
Right?
Yeah. Okay. Yep. Okay. It's on fire.
Whoa.
Lots of smoke.
Well, that's bad.
Yep. Well, thanks for watching. Here's your video for the day.
Wow. So the smoke came from over here.
All right. Well, I think I'm gonna get a computer monitor.
Oh, that was bad. So these two right here are going to be ground and 5 volts. So what do we get here? Did I not turn the game on? I didn't turn the game on. I guess that would help. Hang on.
Here it is, a nice little trade. The person I traded got what they wanted, I got what I wanted, and a pretty good deal on it too. Super hang on.
Get what I want.
That comes later.
Yeah.
Okay. It's on fire.
Whoa.
Lots of smoke.
Well, that's bad.
Yep. Well, thanks for watching.
When you take care of people, people take care of you in this community.
That's the truth.
So everyone, please remember that. Even if we're competitors, we're not enemies.